Discover a unique method to earn money online by watching and sharing popular YouTube videos, specifically focusing on live gaming streams like Minecraft, by utilizing a URL shortening service, 7r6.com. You can transform your time spent viewing videos into a profitable venture. Simply sign up, shorten links to the videos you watch, and earn money for every click on your shared links. Follow this guide to start earning through this innovative approach. Before we dive into the content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Visit YouTube. Go to youtube.com to start. It's a place where you can watch different kinds of videos. Watch videos for money. By watching a YouTube video for at least 30 seconds, you can supposedly earn $5. The more videos you watch, the more money you can make. For example, watching one video gets you $5, 10 videos get you $50, and 30 videos can earn you $150 in a day. You can keep doing this to earn more money using either a phone or a computer. Sign in or sign up. If you're not logged into YouTube, click the Sign In button at the top right. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by choosing Create Account for Myself and follow the steps to set up a free Google account. Explore gaming videos. Once you're logged in, look for the gaming category on YouTube. This section is full of gaming videos watched by millions of people. The strategy involves focusing on these gaming videos to earn money. Focus on Minecraft. Specifically, look for Minecraft videos. Minecraft is very popular, and watching these videos is where the secret strategy to earn money supposedly lies. And for the second step, choose a live video on YouTube. Start by picking any live video on YouTube. Live videos, especially popular ones like those about Minecraft, have lots of viewers and offer a chance to make money. Bonus money-making tip. Keep watching because there's a special tip later that could help you make even more money. Use a second website to earn. The key to turning these views into money involves a second website, where you can shorten links to these YouTube videos and earn money for every click the shortened link receives. Sign up on 7r6.com. Go to 7r6.com and create a free account. This website allows you to shorten URLs of YouTube videos and get paid when people click on these shortened links. How to shorten links? Find the Share button under the YouTube video you're watching. Copy the video's URL. Go to 7r6.com and paste the URL into the provided box to shorten it. Share the new shortened link. Every time someone clicks on it, you earn money. Cash out your earnings. You can withdraw the money you've earned through various payment methods, including PayPal, registering on 7r6.com. Click the Sign Up button on 7r6.com. Fill in your details like username, email, and password. Agree to the terms and register. Creating shortened links. Once logged in, go to the option to create a new shortened link. Paste your copied YouTube link here. Label it under an alias like Minecraft for organization. Shorten the link and share it to start earning. This method suggests that by sharing shortened links of popular YouTube videos, like those of live-streamed Minecraft games, you can earn money when people click on these links. Remember to sign up on 7r6.com to start shortening and sharing links. Step number 3. Repeat the process for more videos. Find more videos on YouTube. Go back to YouTube and look for up to 3 more videos to increase your earnings. Specifically, focus on live streaming videos as they are more lucrative. Why focus on specific categories? Concentrating on certain types of videos, like live streams of popular games, can significantly boost your earning potential. This strategy is proven to work well. How to process additional videos. Pick another live streaming video. Use the Share button to copy the video's URL. Go back to the URL shortening website, 7r6.com. Paste the new video link into the site to shorten it. Label it, for example, Minecraft 2, in the alias field, and click Shorten. Rinse and repeat. Continue this method with several trending YouTube videos. Each time, copy the video link, shorten it through 7r6.com, and share your new shortened link. The more links you create and share, the more opportunities you have to earn. By focusing on popular live streaming content and efficiently using a URL shortening service, you can maximize your earnings through increased clicks and views on your shortened links. Remember, diversifying the videos you choose and consistently applying this strategy can lead to significant online income. Now, moving on to the 4th step, share your shortened links on gaming communities. Join gaming communities. Head over to websites like steamcommunity.com, where gamers gather to discuss strategies and share content about popular games like Minecraft. Create and share posts. After signing up for a free account on these platforms, create posts that talk about Minecraft or any other trending game. In your post, include the shortened link you created with 7R6. Attract clicks for earnings. Your post aims to attract gamers to click on your shortened link. Each click directs them to a YouTube video, and every click contributes to your earnings through PayPal. Special bonus tip. As an added strategy, use a pre-made template for your posts. This template should pique interest in the Minecraft gameplay video you're sharing. For instance, a post could say, "Have you guys checked out this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. Watch the live streaming video right here. Insert your shortened link." Post and earn. Copy this template and post it on steamcommunity.com and moot.us. The popularity of gaming videos, especially those related to Minecraft, means your links could receive a high number of clicks, leading to potentially significant earnings. Repeat and optimize. Continue finding popular videos, shortening their URLs, and sharing them in gaming communities. The more engaging and trending the content, the higher the chance of earning more from your links. Remember, while this guide simplifies the process of earning money by sharing video links, it's crucial to approach such strategies with caution and to ensure compliance with the terms of service of the platforms you're using. Also, always verify the legitimacy of money-making strategies and be wary of schemes that seem too good to be true. Hope you found clarity and understanding in every part of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.